from Steve White Motors. Today we're going to be installing some chrome body side moldings on a Dodge Ram Crew cab. I'm going to show you how easy it is. It's a very simple process. There's a few tools you're going to need. Obviously some solvent to clean the body. We want to make sure there's no waxes or residues on the paint surface so that everything sticks well. We're actually also going to be using a 3M adhesive promoter. This just helps ensure that everything sticks really well. And one of our unique, easy process tools is going to be some masking tape. We like to use 1.5 inch wide. I'll show you what we do. Body moldings are really simple. They're going to come as a package of 4. You're going to have a front molding and a rear molding. It's really nice. They're labeled on the back which side they go to. This is the right hand mega cab rear, and this one is the right hand front. So it's really simple to tell which one's going to go where when you need to install them. So I'll go ahead and get down here and show you what we've done. The instructions are going to tell you to measure up from the body line a certain amount of millimeters. Easiest for us to do, we'll take masking tape, mark the front of the door and the rear of the door from our body line up. This is going to give us a good starting point for where we're going to install this body molding. So now that we've kind of got an idea of where it goes, we've already got this in place to save time. I want to go ahead and prep the surface with this adhesive promoter. Just opens up. We'll put it anywhere that there may be some two-way tape on the door. Give that a minute to flash dry while I get ready. Next thing we want to do is go ahead and pull one side of the tape partially back. This will allow you to grab and pull this later on. So we'll center this on the door, front to rear, just above our tape. This is going to ensure that it's nice and level. Once I stick that in place, I just pull my backing. I like to go about 6 or 8 inches at a time. Do the rear door the same way. On and level. Pull the adhesive backing. Pull your masking tape off the doors. Quick, easy way to ensure that everything's level. Now all you have to do is wipe off your fingerprints. We've installed a set of chrome strips in a matter of minutes. It's a great, easy installation. Thanks for joining us for this install video. We'll see you here at Steve White Motors.